Understanding your medical insurance costs. You're concluding which insurance intend to buy, and need to be aware, how much it will cost. All things considered, it's not all that basic. Now and then, you pay cash toward your medical care. Once in a while, the insurance organization pays cash. Yet, when? To figure everything out, there are 3 principal thoughts you really want to be aware. Expenses, deductibles, and cash-based most extreme. It might sound muddled, yet remain with us. It's not as difficult to comprehend as you naturally suspect. To begin with, charges. Consider your insurance a month-to-month enrollment. Consistently, you pay a similar sum to be a part. That sum is your premium. With your top-notch, say, $200 every month, you get some preventive consideration free of charge. This incorporates care like antibodies and evaluating for diabetes, cholesterol, and bosom malignant growth. This care is covered by your premium. In any case, imagine a scenario where you really want something beyond preventive consideration. In the event that you really want a well-being administration past preventive consideration, sicknesses, a messed up leg, trauma center visits, you ordinarily need to pay extra. How much? Indeed, that changes after some time. There are 3 fundamental stages. To start with, you pay. Then, your insurance pays some, and you pay some. Lastly, your insurance pays everything. So how does this function? In the main stage, toward the start of the year, you pay for the greater part of your medical services, until you arrive at your deductible. Recollect that word? Deductible. A deductible is how much cash you need to pay for your consideration before the insurance organization will share the expenses. So suppose your deductible is $500. That implies, pretty much every time you get well-being administrations, you will pay for that multitude of administrations, until you've paid a sum of $500. It resembles your topping off a container. When you add enough to that pail so you pay your entire deductible, then, at that point, everything changes. Then, you go into the subsequent stage. Presently, every time you get well-being administrations, your insurance organization will share the expense of those administrations. How much? That relies upon your arrangement. Ordinarily, you pay part of the expense, charges called co-pays, or coinsurance, and your insurance pays the rest. In any case, the subsequent stage doesn't continue until the end of time. In the event that you arrive at a specific sum, you will not need to pay for any administrations. Recollect that container? Each time you fill it with co-pays and coinsurance, your insurance organization is following along. Assuming you top that can off to the top, everything changes once more. You enter stage 3. Starting here on, your insurance organization pays everything until the end of the year. Believe it or not, each dollar of your well-being administration's paid by your insurance organization. So what's at the highest point of that pail? It's called your cash-based most extreme. This is the most cash you will pay for your medical services over a whole year. So suppose your cash-based greatest is $2,000. After you pay your $500 deductible, and on the off chance that you pay an extra $1,500 for different well-being administrations, you've hit your cash-based most extreme. From that point onward, your insurance agency pays everything. So what amount does your protection cost? You will basically pay for your month-to-month charges. Also, probably, you will pay for your month-to-month charges, in addition to your cash-based most extreme. Everything relies upon the arrangement you pick, and the consideration that you and your family need. You can get free assistance from a healthcare.gov assister to pick the arrangement that is ideal for your loved ones. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next video.